Hey everyone, Sandy here coming at you with a very, very long overdue life update. I am so sorry. Please accept my sincerest apologies if you thought I fell off the face of the earth. It's just been quite a ride these past few months. I intended to make an update video back around Thanksgiving or, early December at the latest. But, well, let me explain. So, first of all, in mid-October, I got a part-time job at Hobby Lobby. Absolutely love it. Yes, YouTube pays me some money, and I make a little with Patreon support and sales of my tutorials, but life being what it is these days, it just wasn't enough. So I got a part-time job at a craft store, and I have a little bit of craft knowledge, and I actually really enjoy being able to share it with customers and help them out. So there was that. I asked for 15 to 20 hours. My first week I got 22, then the next week it was 24 and 26, and by Thanksgiving and Black Friday I was working over 30 hours a week. Whoa. It was helpful, but it was a bit much. And then I got sick, and it was one of those sicknesses that does not go away. Well, it would go away. You'd think you're getting better, and then you get sick again. And then you think you're getting better. Oh, it's like 3 times, get sick again. Man, and in the midst of all that, in mid-December, I got a phone call one night at work that my mom didn't have very long to live. They were lovely at Hobby Lobby. They were so kind. They said, go home. Just go. In the middle of my shift, canceled my hours for the next week because the next day I was on a plane out to Nevada where my mom lived. I'm very, very thankful to have had 3 days at her bedside before she passed. She passed on December 19th. And then I was out there for a few more days. I helped my stepfather what little I could, went through her clothes. Actually, I saved some of her clothes. Being a quilter in the past, I'm going to make maybe not a t-shirt quilt, but maybe a clothing pillow for several of us. That's in my plans, but I'm not ready to work on that yet. But anyways, I got home with 1 day left before Christmas, having done very little of what I usually do for Christmas. And you know what? It didn't matter. It just didn't matter, all that extra stuff. I had a nice, quiet Christmas with my husband, and then it was back to work with much reduced hours, which is fine. Anybody who works in retail knows that after the first of the year, for the first quarter, things are slower, and that's fine. I'm now, acclimating to being home and being back into my routine, getting caught up on everything. I'm also working on a new video for you, for YouTube. Hopefully it'll be out by the end of January. And I've realized what I really want to do is creative work. I love Hobby Lobby. I think it's fantastic, but I just really enjoy doing the creative work from home. And so in the weeks when I don't have a lot of hours at Hobby Lobby, I'm spending them building this business. And I have to say, in that vein, thank you. Thank you so much to my patrons who I expected when I told them back in November that things were going to change a little bit, that I would lose a lot. And they all stuck with me. Thank you so much. You guys have been such an encouragement and a blessing. And I know this is a long, rambly video, so I will end it with, if you made it this far into the video, then I'm going to set up a special coupon code for my Etsy shop, my tutorials, because I know my tutorials have been pretty thin the past several months. So you can use coupon code MOM19 since she passed on the 19th. But let's round it up to an even 20% off any and all tutorials you want to purchase from my Etsy shop. And I will put a link in the description box below. If you still have your mom, be thankful. Give her a hug. And if you've lost her, well, be thankful you had her. So thank you so much for watching and for your support, and be watching for an upcoming video. I'll talk to you later. Happy creating. Bye-bye.